Okay, let's do ally turn 7. This is gonna decide the game. I don't think the allies have much of a chance, but let's give it a try. Okay, no weather, rally phase. Um, we'll attempt to self rally here. Okay, he's back. Oh, I got to get rid of some of these markers. Get rid of the pins. Get rid of the preps. Okay. Um, okay, no rally attempts for the Axis. Let's go to prep fire. Am I going to do any prep here? Uh, okay, so all right, so the MG, not leader directed, is going to fire an 8 up 3 there. 7 on an 8 is a 1 check. No rate. He's broken. Okay, that is he's not prepped. He's not prepped. He's not prepped. Why does this guy show prepped? It should be broken. Okay. Um, okay, so this guy can fire a they're gonna fire, he's gonna fire here. Range of 15. That's gonna be a 2 up 1. Keeps rate. 7 on a 2 is a miss, gets to fire again. Keeps rate. Okay, so he's prepped. This guy will fire at the same. That'll be a 2 up 4. Okay. Maybe he'll fire at this guy. Range of 15. So that would be a 2 up 1. Oh. 4 on a 2 is a 1 check. Okay. He breaks. He's prep fired. Okay. I kind of, I might lose it over here too because these guys are in melee. I probably should have moved this guy. Okay, I screwed that up. I screwed that up. I know what I can do. That's okay. Let's go to movement. Okay, starting over here, he'll go there for 2. Three, 4 on the bottom floor. This guy will take a shot. Oh, you know what? He could have rallied this guy. Let me try and rally him. Yep, he got him. Okay, so he'll do a 6 up 2 on the bottom. On the first floor. Wow. 5 on a 6. One check. Okay, he's broken. He's first fired. Not looking good for the Americans. Okay, let's do the movement over here. These guys are going to assault move to underneath here for 2. And there's no stairwell, so the guys at top can't fire. These guys can fire, though. They will fire. It's a 9 doubled, 16 up 2. Wow. Oh, I forgot the allied sniper. Let me do that first. But okay, so there was an allied sniper. Direction, big sniper, 6. Direction 1 for 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And it's going to come back to the guys on top. Leader, squad. Oh. Okay, so when it's this matters because when it's so they both got it. So if it's a tie with sniper activation, what happens? So I know that one of them gets affected and then you roll another sniper activation, but which one gets affected? Okay, sniper's choice. Okay, sniper's choice. So I'm going to pick the leader. Leader is bye-bye. And then this guy loses his concealment. Oh, wait, no, there was... Wait. There was 2 guys there. 3 guys there. So the leader, it wasn't the leader that gets hit. It's the guy in the bottom that gets hit. So he's broken. Okay. Okay, and then back to this. So I did a 16 up 2. I rolled a 3 on a 16 up 2. So that's a 5 on a 16. Jeez. That's a 3 check. Leader. Broken. Half squad. Pinned. Squad broken. Okay. That's going to be the game. That's going to be the game, I think. Let's keep going though. Okay. Okay, so these guys will go there for 2, upstairs for 3, to the first floor, up to the second floor for 4. Okay, and then these guys will fire 2, 4, 4 up 1 adjacent. It's so the half squad is 4. It's going to be +3 for the TEM, down 1 for non-assault movement, down 1 for leader. So it's going to be a 4 up 1. Oh, I forgot to roll the other sniper activation. So that's going to be a 5 on a 4. There's a 1 check. Let me do that and I'll come back to sniper activation. Okay, leader or hero passes, half squad, breaks, squad, breaks, sniper activation, nope. Okay, okay, and that leaves a 2 residual. Where else in here are there stairs? Over there, okay. Let's see, we've got a half squad and a squad. Okay, leader's going to go there for 1. Upstairs 2, 3. To the second floor, takes a 2 up 2. Nothing. These guys will subsequent for a 2 up 2. Cower, no. 6 on a 2 is a pin task check. So leader. Half squad is pinned. Okay. Wow, these counters are getting dense. All right. Okay, and then he'll go there for 1, 2, 3, upstairs 4, 5, late CX. Takes a 2 up 2. Okay, nothing. How many guys do I have here now? I've got a squad, a half squad, I have a broken squad, a broken half squad, a full squad, so that's 2. And then where's that? So I have 3 squads there. Okay. Then these guys are going to CX. I never did that sniper. Okay, small sniper. 1 for 4. So it's going to go up this way and it's going to snap back. Okay, let's see who gets it. What happened to leader? Okay, leader or half squad? Leader, half squad. Okay, so I'm going to take the leader. Let's roll for a wound die roll. So he's wounded. Okay. Okay, so this guy's going to go here for 1. Wait, he's going to CX maybe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, he's going to CX 1, or sorry, 2. Actually, bypass 1, 2, 3, 4. Anyways, doesn't matter. He's going to CX and go up to the 2nd floor. Okay. This guy will... Two. Okay, I know what I'm going to do. Okay, so this guy is going to CX. He's going to go 1, 2, bypass 3, bypass 4. No, wait. Let me look at this again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. 1, 2, bypass 3, 4, 5 into the ground floor. And there's a residual attack of 8. I didn't put the residual there. Residual of 8 on the ground floor. Oh my God, this is really dense. Okay, so they're going to take an 8 up to... Oh my God, another sniper. Look at these rolls. 5 on an 8 is a 2 check. Broken. Pinned. And one of them is pinned. And then they're going to... These guys will subsequent to... Actually, they're going to wait. They're going to do... They'll do final fire. Okay. 1, 2, 3. One, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6 into the ground floor. Oh my God. I can get rid of that residual, I think. This is ridiculous. Look at that. Oh my God. Okay. Squad, half squad. Wow. Not sure I did that all right. What about over here? I think I'm going to lose the game over here because this melee. I'm not going to win the melee. And Okay, that's it for movement. Defensive fire. All right, so over here, this guy's going to final fire to the guys on the ground floor. So that's going to be, and he'll intensive fire the MG. So that would be a 9, that'd be a 4, up 3. Wow, they're getting some rolls. 7 on a 4. It's a PTC. Okay, so who's pinned down here? I kind of lost track of who was pinned. I think they're all already pinned. Kind of lost track of what was going on, to be honest. Jeez. This guy's not pinned. The half squad was not pinned. Let's roll. Okay, he passes. All right. Okay, no other fire. Advancing fire. All right. Let's see if we can figure out this mess over here. Okay, so these guys have prepped. The guy on top can fire a 2 up 3 next door. He'll do that. Okay. That doesn't do anything. Let's look at this mess of stuff. Okay, he can do a 2 up 3 next door. Okay, nothing. Just to make this clear that there's a DM on the bottom and a DM on the top, I can get rid of the final fire. All right. Okay, so these guys on the bottom. All right, wait a minute. I screwed something up. I screwed something up here. So it was not the 347. It was the 347 was pinned. It was the 667 that wasn't. Okay. What about over here? Can these guys do anything? Okay, on the top, you've got the squad can fire. So that's going to be a 6. The half squad, no, 6 halved, doubled, +1, that's a 7. Half squad would be halved, twice, doubled, 1.5. So that's going to be an 8. Leader is leader is -1, but you have the CX is +1, so those cancel out. So it'd be an 8 up 3. The adjacent. So 8 on an 8 is a normal. So leader passes, half squad, heat of battle, broken squad, heat of battle. Oh my god. Okay. This game's getting crazy. Okay, so half squad, heat of battle. It's an 8. An 8 is going to be battle hardened. Okay. And then the half squad, or the squad, an 11, but he's broken, so that's +1, so he surrenders. So he's going to surrender. Okay, and he'll get eliminated for because we've got no quarter. Okay. So they advance fired at the top. On the bottom, they're going to advance fire against these guys, which would be a 4 up 2. Nothing. Okay, advance fire over here. I guess this guy will do he'll fire into the melee for a 4 up 3. Okay, nothing. Okay, let's go to routes. This guy's going to route upstairs. Oh wait, I did. Yeah, okay. Routes upstairs. I can get rid of the prep and the defensive fire. Okay, so he routes upstairs. These guys are going to route back there for 1, for 2. These guys will route downstairs. And the leader will go with them. Just trying to organize the counters before I put them downstairs. Okay. They're going to route down to the first floor. They're just going to go down one floor. Okay. Okay. This guy will route 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Actually, he's going to go, yeah, and then this guy will go 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, that's going to do it. Then let's do advance phase. Okay. These guys will advance there. This guy will advance in there for close combat. The leader, or the hero, and the they'll advance in there for close combat. Wait, what happened? Okay. Okay, and then these guys pinned. First floor. Okay, so over here, these guys on the first floor. Oh, wait. They're on the first floor. They're not gonna go anywhere. Actually, wait a minute. Okay, so the leader will stay there, but the squad and the half squad will advance up to the next floor, to the second floor. This counter density's doing me in. Okay, and then this guy will advance into the ground floor. Gets kind of tedious, doesn't it? All right, let's do close combat. Okay, roll for ambush. Americans, no ambush. 1-to-1 for the Americans. Needs a 5 or less. Oh. Okay, which guy gets it? Random selection. Half squad, squad. Okay, this guy gets Okay, attacking back at 1-1. Nothing. Okay, let's flip that to a melee. Okay, and then over here, we've got wait a minute, what happened to the squad? Okay, so we've got 7 to 3. Okay, American ambush, German. They get a -1, but does a hero is a hero considered stealthy? A15.2. Okay, so he is stealthy, so they get an ambush. So the Americans are going to attack at 7 to 3. It's 2-1, down 2. Okay, so they kill him. They're gone. Okay, this is getting kind of interesting. All right. Then over here we have a melee. We have a 3 to 4, so 1-1 for the Italians. And then coming back at 1 to 2 for the Americans. Okay, nothing there. All right, so that's the end of Allied turn 7. And I don't know, do we have a shot here? Perhaps. Let's get rid of the prep. Is there any concealment gain? This guy's concealed. These guys are concealed. He's concealed. These guys over here are concealed as well. Nobody has line of sight to them. These guys are concealed. Not that it's going to make much of a difference. These guys are not concealed. Okay.